Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video we will learn about the key differences between agile testing versus a traditional testing, or we also can call it as a waterfall testing. What is the key differences between these both methodologies we will try to understand in this video. Let's understand the first key differences is being a very flexibility is we are emphasizing more in agile, and also adaptability is a key in the agile testing whenever we are following these development methodologies. But in traditional testing like waterfall model, we are more on emphasizing in the beginning more on the planning and documentation. That is the key drawback in traditional waterfall model, and there is no flexibility or adaptability can be made in the traditional testing. The second key differences between agile testing versus traditional testing is timeline. Especially in agile testing, we do a small testing of increments. We test in agile methodologies, because every sprints we will be keep doing testing for chunk of the code, and we are going to certify that chunk of code in every sprint in a more of a incremental fashion. The sprint can be ranging from few weeks, maybe 2 weeks to 5 weeks maximum as part of agile testing. But in traditional testing, normally the overall development life cycle goes in several months to over a year. It may happen to 2 years, 5 years. If it is a big project, it may go up to 5 years and 10 years as well in traditional waterfall model. But in agile, we have to get the testing to be done within 2 to 5 weeks in every sprint, so that we can deliver the working software to the customer for their feedback. And the next key difference is the focus. In agile, we are more focusing on users needs or customer requirement, and we get the feedback as well from the customer in a quicker manner than in waterfall model. And because we get the feedback from the customer there and there itself, we can confidently start delivering more things to the customer. In traditional waterfall model, we only deliver to the customer once the testing phase is done, where all the phases completes, then testing will be done, then we will be sending to the customer for their feedback. And that itself not a good idea, because product development itself takes months and years, and when you get a feedback from the customer, again fixing those issues becomes very complex, and it involves cost problems as well. Next one is feedback loop is a key difference. In agile, as we discussed earlier, the customer is going to give us the feedback in a quickly manner to the development team and testing team, so that you can easily adjust and improve the overall processes as well. But in traditional model, which is not at all possible, because we do get only feedback from the customer in the later development stages, and that becomes very difficult for us to fix the things at a lesser cost. And the next one is test automation. Agile testing, we are more focusing on automation, because we have to do an incremental and iterative fashion of overall testing. Without bringing the test automation is not possible at all. We are more emphasis or more energy we are trying to bring in automation in agile testing. And the traditional testing, we more rely on a manual testing plus automation as well. And the overall agile testing is more of a flexibility, adaptability is there, and user focused as well, end user focused. But in waterfall model, it is more of a documented, structured approach, plan driven approach, and we are specification focused. Normally we try to do it in traditional testing. I hope you guys got a clear idea now what is the key differences between agile testing versus traditional testing. If you guys really like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video. If you guys are not subscribed, then do subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.